want to meet the Monstercorns?
Of course! I have so many questions!
Like, where did they come from? And why is everything so spooky around here?
Ah! You should ring the doorbell. Look at that! It opened!
All on its own. Hello, Monstercorns?
We're here to welcome you to Rainbowville.
But if you're not home, we can come back another...
Hi!
Ah!
Oh, sorry about the lights. We're getting ready for the big Monstercorn hatching ball.
In the darkness of the night shines a beam of clear moonlight. The fog now lifts on the pumpkin patch, for Monstercorns are about to hatch.
First up, it's the cutest zombie mouse in the house. It's Chomp Chomp. Next, it must be a full moon out. It's Howly. Finally, the most spooktastic, gruesome twosome of all, Boo Boo and Spooky Sue.
We welcome new Monstercorns and new friends all to Monstercorn Manor and the hatching ball! Monstercorns aren't as different as I thought. You hatch, you have horns, and hearts.
But where have you been?
We've always been here. You just weren't able to see us until now.
Long, long ago, Monstercorn Manor was cursed by a magic spell. Cursed to disappear from the rest of Rainbowville and become completely forgotten. But somehow, luckily, the spell must have been reversed.
That is quite the mystery.
But I'm sure that if we learn more about the Monstercorns, we can solve their mystery.
Exactly! You should play our favorite game, Duck, Duck.
Oh, yeah! I'm still not used to all the scares.
It doesn't bother me. I'm too tough for...
Ooh!
Ah! Okay, you got me.
Hello, Axel and Zestina. Welcome to our next spooky Monstercorn tradition, April Ghouls Day. Beware, Rainbocorns. It is a day of surprises around every corner.
Oh no! This must be the Monstercorns version of April Fool's Day.
So, we've got to watch out for pranks and tricks. This pillow room is nice and fluffy. That wasn't a bad prank.
Oh no! Where's my ukulele?
I retuned and polished your ukulele until it sparkled.
Oh, that's very nice. Thank you.
April Ghouls!
It's my crafter kit. What's that doing here?
Aha! I restocked your crafter kit with all the best glitters, paints, and crafts. April Ghouls!
Oh, thanks. How thoughtful.
And Zestina, I organized your favorite perfumes. April Ghouls! Wow, that's perfect. Thank you.
I don't understand these April Ghouls Day pranks.
Yeah, it seems like they keep doing nice things for us.
Ah! This note says, come to the kooky kitchen for a big surprise.
Uh-oh. I bet this is when they're actually going to trick us.
There's only one way to find out. Hello? Monstercorns?
Surprise! Ah! We made all your favorite desserts!
You Rainbocorns sure have been jumpy all day.
We thought you were going to prank us like on April Fool's Day.
We did prank you. On April Ghouls Day, we surprise our friends with kindness.
That's a way better holiday.
I wish there was some way we could repay your kindness.
Oh, there is. You could help us clean out our attic.
Whoa! The Monstercorns attic needs a monster-sized makeover!
Rainbocorns! Whee! Woohoo!
Diapers are not hats. Okay, Nino, it's time to slow it down now.
Hey, Spinella, I need your help.
Hi, Charmelina. Sure, what's wrong?
I'm stressed out. I have too much to do before Zestina Fairy Academy starts this year.
I can help you, but first I need Nino to go down for her nap time.
No nap time. I'm not sleepy.
You're getting really rowdy, and I think you're about to... Oh, crash! There. Now listen to this lullaby, little Nino. Sometimes I feel that life is tough. Sometimes I feel like I'm a little stuck. And though I try, it might not feel enough. But I keep trying. I need to pause to take a break. Breathe in, it's going to be okay. But there are times when I don't feel great. It's overwhelming. Breathe, breathe, feel the release. I'll take some time to let the sun shine in. Slow, slow, let these feelings go. I know in time I'll feel my sparkle grow. I'll slow it down, I will slow it down when I feel the world start to wear me out. I'll slow it down, I will slow it down, set my feet on solid ground. Ooh. There we go. Feel better, Nino?
Yes, I feel like a quick...
Oh, good. Now, Charmelina, what did you need help with? Yes, it's always helpful to slow it down now and then. Night-night.
Roses are red, chocolate is brown. It's Valentine's Day, so let's hatch the whole town.
That's right! Today's the day we unveil Axel's big plan to rehatch the Rainbocorns. With craft paper, glitter, and my amazing crafting abilities, I have created the biggest Valentine ever! Wow! But Axel, I don't understand. How is that going to hatch all the eggs? When a Rainbocorn feels the magic of friendship, their heart glows. That signals the egg that they are ready to hatch. This big Valentine will send out a Valentine to every egg, and it will remind the Rainbocorns of our friendship.
That's just magical enough to work.
Okay, Zestina, use your magic horn to send out the Valentine signal. It's not cracking the eggs. I'll boost the signal.
Axel, are you okay?
We have to put our horns together for more Valentine magic.
Friendship magic from our horns reveal all of the Rainbocorns! The eggs! They're hatching! It's working! Yay! We saved Rainbowville! What's that on the horizon?
It looks like a haunted house. And look at that spooky egg.
Greetings, Rainbocorns. Thanks you very much for the Valentine.
Whoa! You're welcome?
I am Fangorama, one of the many mysterious Monstercorns.
Monstercorns!
Under the light of the full moon, the Monstercorns are hatching soon. Join us for a ball tonight. Monstercorn Manor can be quite a fright.